Our adventure was almost over, but not without one last stop. Welcome to Vrelo Bosne.
Feeling like Jonah, brother, turn low now. How we gonna find our way?
There's me, my wife recording, and our little bundle of energy who has no plans of walking today.
I gotta find my way. You never feel me.
We bought our tickets, and about 5 steps later.
I don't mind the money. Sorry, especially since I didn't pay. Oh, you need to run around. Look how beautiful it is here. Oh, look at spring.
We tried to convince her to walk. Let's just say I got a nice shoulder workout that day.
Love you forever, even more to the end.
But honestly, this place is stunning. Tiny wooden bridges over super clean water, birds singing, trees everywhere, and just the right amount of sunshine. If nature had a spa day, this will be it. A swan, not a slan.
Forgive her, she speaks more languages.
There were cafes for grown-ups. And then, jackpot.
Yeah, let's go.
A massive playground. Game over. And we just watched her live her best life.
Whee! Bravo!
Is it sitting properly? Woo! Whoop! Woo! Woo!
Are you okay? Leave it, don't swing it anymore. I don't think she's okay.
Only her, you know?
It's enough.
Oh, did you lift your own weight?
Yeah, that's hard for you.
Actually very easy. Woo! Woo! Woo!
You need to drive all the way home. You better not tire yourself out.
Alright, so we're about to shoot the music video for my next single titled Hello Hello. If you're watching this right now, it is probably out. If it's not out, it's gonna be out, but link's gonna be somewhere.
I needed some nature shots. And wow, what a backdrop. Bosnia, you've been very kind to my camera.
Hello, hello, who's there? That no solo speak up. Making money non-stop. Hello, Jack.
Always busy.
Hey, hey, hey. Woo. Really waste my time. If I answer, I can't really waste my time, you understand? Hey. Hello, hello, who's there? That also don't speak up. Making money non-stop. Toba, hello, Jack call. Hello, hello, who's there? I know they too like talk, but I dey walk my talk. Baba got be my rock. Hello, hello, who's there? That also don't speak up. Making money non-stop. Toba, hello, Jack call. Hello, hello, who's there? I know they too like talk, but I dey walk my talk. Baba got be my rock.
Is it Okuta?
Yeah. That's not so good.
It's what?
It's not porridge.
Kavic. Kavic is okuta in Hungarian, Frida.
Okay, music video done.
We did so much on this holiday. Frida is ready to go.
You ready to go for that?
Yeah.
By the time it was time to leave, our daughter finally admitted what we knew was coming.
So we've come to the end of this thing because you can see this one here. It's kind of like comatose, as she always does. Are you okay, Frida? What's wrong with you?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry, okay? Don't worry, we're going to eat now. Okay? Okay.
82 kilometers later.
This is where we are right now. This is where GPS took us.
What is this place?
And Frida keeps asking, where are we?
It's not like we have an answer. It says turn left. Where?
It's really super. That road is going left. It's really surprising that it's even on Google Maps, honestly.
No, right. Go to Bosnia, they said. It will be fun, they said. It will be fun, they said. Look now where we are inside bush.
And that was it, our final stop to Bosnia. Beautiful nature, tired feet, full hearts, and one very sleepy toddler. Thanks for exploring with us. We've loved every moment, and we hope you did too. See you on the next adventure.
Baba the grind must pay. Talking to me, who you? Talking money, if not FU. Long talk, logo buy me fufu. Cheap talk, when it no be when I no be moo moo. Monkey they walk when baboon they chop, no way.